Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to bind the variable in Python. Basically, binding means converting the continuous variable into some binds. So how we can do this? Let's see in Python. First of all, we will import the Titanic dataset into Python, a very popular dataset available on Kaggle. The command line which we are using is df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv r, a magical operator which can import the file very smoothly, and then I'll specify the path where my file is located. Now I want to do binding on age. So the command line is that df create the new variable bh. See, I want to create the new variable. So I'm specifying that in data frame create the new variable bh is equal to pandas pd. So always you will have to use import pandas as pd. I'll request all of you that please refer my previous videos of this series to understand the flow of this series. So pd.cut, so pd is for pandas, pd.cut round bracket df age. So I want to do the binding of the age. How many binds I want? So I'll specify binds, 4 binds. So if you want to include the upper bound case, you will not write anything beyond this. So upper bound classes will be included. Shift enter, and you can see here round bracket and square bracket and bind categories are there. So the entire age is now converted into 4 binds. Now if I want to include the lower bound classes also, I'll write down right is equal to false. Okay, right is equal to false. Everything else will remain same. Shift enter, and you can see here now the changes which are there in square and round bracket. So basically this comes in the first category from 0.167 to 20.125. This is in first bind, this is in second bind. So similarly the entire data is now converted into 4 binds. I can increase or decrease the binds from here. So this is a way you can convert the continuous variable, or rather you can do binding on continuous variable in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, please subscribe to my channel. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos related to Python. I have also uploaded videos of various softwares which are used in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to press the like button.